Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to check BVN number Nigeria in Nigeria. Yes, so the BVN is actually the bank verification number that was given to you when you went to open up an account. Maybe you misplace it or you don't actually know the number and you're trying to retrieve it. So first thing you have to bear in mind is that you actually have to impute the SIM card. That's the number you used while registering for the BVN. You'll need to have it in your phone before you can be able to take the steps I'm about to show you. So first thing you have to do is open up your phone right here. Open it up and you're going to dial these numbers *565*0#. So once you input the number, they're going to actually ask you to enter your full date of birth. And while you are entering the full date of birth, don't include any space. You can see, don't include any date. So I'm just going to enter my date of birth just like this. This is my day and also my month and the year. Very easy and simple. Then you click on send. Once you click on send, they're going to send you the BVN. But the reason why they can't send it to me is because I did not use this number to register my BVN. That's why they said no BVN is linked to your account. So this is literally how to do it. So you have to bear in mind that you need that SIM card, the phone number you use, to be on the phone you're trying to get your BVN number with. So that's how to get your BVN. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.